Next question. Will the sun or will sunshine kill the virus? That's a great question. Will sunshine kill the virus? Eating raw spinach. I do think that sunshine, well, let's talk about sunshine. If you leave anything in the sun, if you leave a black shirt in the sun or a red shirt in the sun, you leave it sitting out, what happens after several days? The sun will bleach it. So, in a very simple way, the sun can bleach things. What did you just buy from the grocery store? You probably bought some bleach. Why? To bleach and to sterilize and to kill any of the bacteria and viruses on surfaces, on pens, on cell phones, and whatever. You're wiping everything down. So, if you bought bleach to kill things and to sterilize things, and we know that the sun bleaches things, yes, the sun can kill the coronavirus. Question is, how long does it take to kill that coronavirus? I don't really know. We do have some research that shows that some of the viruses that we have in our society right now can be inactivated with as little as 1 hour of sunshine. Some things take a lot longer. 2 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, maybe even a couple of days. How much sunshine does it take for this year's coronavirus to be killed? Remember, a virus is not alive. It's a particle. How long does it take for this year's coronavirus to be inactivated by sunshine? I don't have the answer right now, and I don't want to make a guess right now, but I do want to tell you that sunshine will kill COVID-19. I just don't know how much sunshine yet. I'm sure that science will provide us an answer in the near future. Watch the news, Google it, search for it on the internet. It's coming.